Atkins Civil 3D video series, Road 3D, ETW Design Profile, Primary Road. This video illustrates A. Default ETW profile settings, B. Modify copy of centerline profile to create ETW profile, C. Temp plan labels for ETW angle points, D. Add ETW PVIs at angle points, E. Split and modify vertical curves, and F. Temp ETW station offset elevation plan labels. Change the default profile settings. Right-click Profile, edit feature settings, default styles, profile label set, pick the current, select profile no label set, OK. Profile style, pick the current, pick ETW profile design, OK. Expand default name format, profile name template, pick the current, remove CL, add ETW dash, OK. Create a copy of the design centerline profile, pick the centerline profile, move away, right click, edit profile geometry. In profile layout tools, pick copy profile, source profile information, name Kin Crown centerline, style, centerline design profile label, PVI range all, create new profile, OK. Change the name and style of the copy profile. Depress escape key to clear commands. Pick the profile in the top profile view. In properties palette, change name to Kin-Left. Enter. Change style to ETW profile design. Pick the current style. Pick ETW profile design. Depress escape key to clear commands. Adjust the elevation of the ET profile for the road cross slope. In profile tools, the name should indicate a copy of the Kin Crown centerline. Pick the raised lower icon. Elevation change, enter -0.28. For the drop in elevation for the normal ETW offset distance of 14 feet at a 2.0% cross slope, PVI range all, OK. The left ETW profile is displayed in all three profile views. Use Prospector to remove the display of the left profile in the centerline and right profile views. Prospector, expand alignment, centerline alignments, Kin Crown, profile view, right-click the centerline profile view, properties. In the Profiles tab, remove the check mark for the left profile, apply, OK. Repeat for the right profile view. OK. For this video, the right ETW profile has been created. The monitor shows two viewports with a plan view on top and the profile view on bottom. Add temporary ETW alignment offset elevation labels in plan view at ETW angle point where the offset distance varies from the normal 14 feet. Pick the ETWs to see location of angle points. Annotate ribbon. Add labels icon, feature, alignment, label type, station offset fixed point, label style, temp ETW station offset elevation, marker style none, add. As prompted for the alignment, pick the crown. The offset needs to be in relation to the crown line, not the center line improvement. Pick the ETW angle point. Elevation, pick an ETW profile. Does not matter which one since they're both identical. Continue picking ETW angle points. Right and left can be picked at the same time. Depress escape key when finished. Add temporary ETW alignment offset elevation labels in plan view within variable width sections of the ETW at locations where the ETW profile contains a PVI. Select the Add Labels button. Pick 10 crown for the alignment with snap nearest on. Move cursor along the ETW until the station 14 plus 50 is indicated to the nearest 0.10 feet. For elevation, pick the ETW profile. Pick additional locations along both ETWs. When finished, depress Escape key. Add new PVIs in the ETW profile at each ETW alignment angle point. 15 plus 50 is such a location. Pick the ETW profile. Select the geometry editor. Select the Add PVIs tabular icon on the station. Enter 1550. Elevation 458.00. Enter. OK. Repeat for other locations. If a variable width portion of the ETW alignment is within a vertical curve, the vertical curve needs to be modified. Such modification should be made prior to adjusting the ETW profile for an offset distance that is different than normal. The 100-foot vertical curve at 33 plus 00 needs to be split into two vertical curves with the point of compound vertical curve of the two curves being at 33 plus 00. New PVIs will be at station 32 plus 75 and 33 plus 25. Draw construction lines on layer 1 to graphically determine location and elevation of the two new PVIs at 33 plus 00. L, enter. With Snap-on, pick the current BVC of the centerline vertical curve. Draw the line vertically. Pass the ETW left profile. Repeat for the EVC. Enter. Enter. Offset each vertical line 25 feet toward the PVI. O. Enter. 25. Enter. Pick a vertical line. Move towards the PVI. Pick the other vertical line. Move towards the PVI. Escape. Draw a line coincident with the ETW left profile tangent lines to the left and right of the vertical curve. L, enter. With Snap-on, pick the BVC of the ETW left profile. Pick another point on the tangent line. Escape. Repeat for the tangent line to the right of the EVC. L, enter. Enter. Escape. Extend the tangent line to the vertical offset lines. EX, enter. Pick a vertical offset line. Enter. Pick a coincident tangent line. Enter. Escape. EX, enter. Pick the other vertical line. Enter. Pick the coincident tangent line. Enter. Escape. The endpoint of the extended tangent lines are at the station and elevation of the two new PVIs. Graphically change location of the current PVI. Pick the ETW left profile. Zoom in and pick the current PVI. Sure it's the PVI and not the midpoint of the curve. With Snap-on, drag the PVI to the endpoint of the extended line. The CS ribbon should be displayed. Pick Geometry Editor. Pick the Profile Grid View icon. Pick the length of the vertical curve at 32 plus 75. Change it to 50. Close Panorama. Pick the Insert PVI icon. Pick the new PVI in the drawing at the extended tangent line from the EVC. The profile looks like it's extended into La La Land. Pick the PVI and locate it at the end of the extended line. Escape. Pick the free vertical curve parabola icon. Pick the tangent line to the left of the PVI. Pick the tangent line to the right of the PVI. Enter 49.9999 for the length of vertical curve. Escape. Make a copy of the current profile data prior to adjusting the ETW PVI elevations for the difference in the offset distance from the normal 14 feet. Pick the left ETW profile, Geometry Editor, Profile Grid View icon. Right-click any column. Select Copy All from the drop list. Open a spreadsheet. Pick the cell at column A, row 3. Paste the ETW profile data, Pro V. OK. The spreadsheet for the left ETW profile data has been modified to include a title and several new columns. The columns show the actual offset distance from the crown to the ETW, the normal offset distance, the difference between the actual and normal offset distance, the road cross slope, the change in elevation associated with the difference in the ETW offset distance, and the calculated new PVI elevation. The recalculated values are shown in grade in, grade out, grade chain, K value, and curve radius. This spreadsheet also shows the data for the right ETW profile. Make a print of the spreadsheet and use it to modify the Civil 3D ETW profile PVI elevations. Pick the ETW profile, select Geometry Editor, select the Profile Grid View icon. Use the spreadsheet to enter the adjusted elevation for each PVI. 460.22, 459.25. No change in these PVI elevations. 444.53, 444.79, 446.66, 447.76, 448.47, 448.91, 449.54, 450.18. Okay, close panorama. Create temporary alignment labels along the primary road ETW at the intersection with side road ETWs and centerline. These labels will be used later in the design of the side road profile. Annotate ribbon, add labels top part, feature, alignment, label type, station offset fixed point, label style, temp ETW station offset elevation, marker style none, add, as prompted for the alignment. Pick the center line of the crown. For label location with snap-on, pick the endpoint of an ETW. For elevation component, pick the ETW profile. Without depressing escape key, pick the endpoint of the side road ETWs and the intersection with the side road center lines. When finished, depress escape key. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.